Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting immediate access to the router's admin interface. Connect your laptop or phone to the same Wi-Fi network and disable any VPNs so you reach local devices. Look at the router label or bottom sticker for a default admin IP like 192, 168, 0, 1 and an admin username. If you changed credentials, prepare them. Once logged in, make sure to navigate to status or WAN pages. That's where the Broadband number often appears. Keep reading for exact fields. You now move through the router menus deliberately. After login, go to Status, WAN, Internet, or Connection. Menu names vary by model. Inspect fields labeled WAN IP, PPPoE username, Service ID, or Broadband number. ISPs sometimes list the account or line number under Advanced DSL or XDSL details. If you see PPPoE credentials, the account portion often matches your Broadband number. Make note, copy it exactly, and keep context. This value ties the physical line to your ISP account. You finish by confirming what you found against the ISP account portal or a recent bill. Consistency prevents mistakes. If the router shows empty fields, restart the modem and router, wait for sync, and recheck the WAN or DSL pages. Make sure firmware isn't hiding details by exploring advanced menus. If still missing, call your ISP, provide the router model and screenshots, and ask them to verify the Broadband or line number. That's the fastest fix when local checks fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.